Hello everyone! Today's quiz is all about the TV show Scrubs. Ready to play? You'll face 7 rounds of questions. Warm-up, matters of the heart, hospital rounds, their story, props and pets, in his head, and the final exam. Round 1. Warm-up. Grab some popcorn. We're heading to Sacred Heart Hospital. Can you guess JD's favorite drink? What ceremony is shown in this picture? We covered 3 what? What is janitor holding in his hand?
I'm watching you.
What is Carlos' ethnic background? Mexican, Dominican, Cuban, or Salvadoran? Can you guess the name of the blurred character? What are the names of these 2 characters? The answer is the same as the title of a 1989 movie starring Tom Hanks. And now, let's move to the answers for round 1. Appletini.
I pronounced you ex-husband and ex-wife. You may now do whatever the hell you want.
Scooters. A penny. Dominican. Ben. Turner and Hooch. Round 2. Matters of the heart. This is TCW. Can you tell what that stands for? Name this character's workplace. Guess the name of the hidden character. Watch the video clip.
You know, I shacked up with a man before I was married, too.
Laverne said she shacked up with a man before she got married. What was his name? Which piece of jewelry causes Todd's behavior to change?
Wait, I found one. It's not made of wood, but give me a minute. Hey, have you checked Mr. Oberman for hypertension? Because I've got hypertension right here. Boobies. Charts.
Her character was incredibly clumsy. Guess the name of the actress. Who was the third person who was never ever allowed into Chief Dr. Cox's office? Round 2 answers. Tasty coma wife. An aquarium. Danny.
You know, I shacked up with a man before I was married, too. His name was Jesus.
Boobies. Charts.
Mandy Moore. Jordan. Round 3. Hospital rounds. Can you name the doctor JD's talking to?
Mr. Nemeth, I wanted a second opinion, so I've called in my colleague. I'm sorry about the other day. I had just had my morning coffee and a bran muffin. It was kind of an emergency situation. I know you were napping, but it was an accident.
In this fairy tale episode, JD just wants to get home, Elliot is looking for brains, Carl is looking for courage, but what is Turk looking for? Both of these patients are getting the same surgery. What kind of surgery is it? In which department do these doctors work? What condition did Dr. Cox think his friend's son might have? What serious illness is this actor battling in real life? The clumsy intern Doug later became a successful doctor. What kind of doctor did he become? Round 3. The answers.
Mr. Nemeth, I wanted a second opinion, so I've called in my colleague, Dr. Toilet.
I agree. The best course of action is dialysis.
Whether they're looking for brains, a heart, or courage.
Breast augmentation. Gynecology. Autism. Parkinson's disease. A pathologist. Round 4. Their story. What's the name of this character? Which gorgeous Irishman are they talking about? Name the actor.
You have one day to come up with another gorgeous Irishman.
One day.
Listen to the audio clip. Which supporting character is Dr. Cox talking to?
Perry, no one's pure evil. I mean, yes, some people have a hard outer shell, but inside, everybody has a creamy center.
There are plenty of people here on this particular planet who are hard on the outside and hard on the inside.
So they'd have more of a nougaty center?
Watch the video clip.
And here it is.
Hey, how come all you have in here is a smiley face button and a revolver?
Well, one's in case I get sad.
Ted keeps a smiley face button in his briefcase in case he gets sad, and a revolver in case he gets what? Guess the character. These two characters share the same initials. What are they? What's the job of the character named Glenn Matthews at the hospital? Time to check the answers for round 4. Lady. Colin Farrell.
Perry, no one's pure evil. I mean, yes, some people have a hard outer shell, but inside, everybody has a creamy center. I'm touching your creamy center.
Well, one's in case I get sad, and the other one's in case I get really sad.
Dr. Bob Kelso. JD.
What is your name?
Glenn Matthews.
Well, that was easy.
Round 5. Props and pets. Watch the video clip.
So this is where Sutton lives, all right? Let's get in there.
JD.
What kind of birds are behind the fence? What did the janitor ask Dr. Kelso for?
I made some sketches. Now this one got sort of a medieval thing going.
Is he on a horse?
It's a steed, sir. That's for cleanups in outer space. This one's outer space evening wear. This one's just a kangaroo.
What insect did we cover in these shots? JD owns a piece of land with one structure on it. What structure is it? Listen to the audio clip. Who is Dr. Kelso talking to?
Just take me. What are you gonna do? Put me in jail? You Bob Kelso.
What does Ted land in?
Just one step. Aw, who am I kidding?
You did it, Johnny! It's over! Here comes sweet relief!
Zach Braff wanted to take this after the show ended, but the creators didn't let him. They sent it to storage instead. Guess the name. Round 5. The answers. And your uniform. A butterfly. A duck.
Here comes sweet relief!
Rowdy. Round 6. In his head. Watch the video clip.
Guys, we need an answer. Name one thing guys want to see more than anything in the whole wide world.
Name one thing guys want to see more than anything in the world. What kind of event is his honor? Does JD imagine? One of JD's fantasies is about him wanting to be everywhere at once. What did we cover in this shot? What is the last name of this character that JD created? Who sees Elliot like this? What is Death's daughter selling? Listen to the audio clip. What zone does JD enter?
Went to high school with her. We worked at Penguin's Yogurt.
She'll come around.
Let's see how you did in round 6.
Louis, we're gonna go with boobs.
Show me boobs!
Hell, I love you, Newbie. Should have done this a long time ago.
I knew you loved me. I just had to fake my own death to prove it. He loves me, everyone! Can I get an amen? I couldn't if I tried. Oh, honey, if I get rest.
Acula. Turk.
Listen, I know you're busy, but my daughter's selling cookies.
Put me down for 2 boxes of those mint thingies.
Went to high school with her. We worked at Penguin's Yogurt.
Round 7. The final exam. What did Elliot get in the mail?
Dr. Reed! I have a package for you. It's addressed to your home, but since you're here...
Lloyd, I wanted that delivered to my house because it's private and it would be embarrassing for me to open it here at the hospital.
Listen to the audio clip. Name JD's new god.
Then fate threw me another curve. Hey, who's your friend?
My boy in a dress. Who's yours?
Well, seeing as he gave me the strength to outrun the sheriff's canine unit, I'd say he's my new god. You can rub mine's belly if I can rub yours.
Don't you touch my son.
These shots are from an episode titled My... The missing phrase is a French expression, and as you can see, it's repeated twice in the title. What is it? What kind of power do these necklaces have? Which Australian actor does Dr. Cox hate? What's the name of JD's scooter? Which supporting character did we cover? Answers round 7.
Hey, Dr. Reed, we accidentally opened your package and felt so guilty we came by to install your slide and glide stripper pole.
You can rub mine's belly if I can rub yours.
Don't you touch my son.
Déjà vu. They bring bad luck. Hugh Jackman. Ted. And now, calculate your total score and find the winner. Comment your results and suggest TV shows for future quizzes. See you next time. Bye-bye.